Alright, welcome to my closet. Was going to be my office, but closet it is. You're saying, oh, why don't you just put some stupid, cheap laminate flooring in? Nah. I got this VEVOR, America's favorite cheap stuff. I was going to put it in my garage, but it's blue. And I don't think it was going to work very well. So, grab some popcorn, sit down. We're going to install it. We're going to review it. Let's go. Definitely get yourself one of these or some knee pads. We're getting old out here. You could steal your mom's gardening thing. You're going to start in the corner. Get your next one. Maybe. And these things go together like peanut butter and jelly. You just stick them there. Voila. And repeat a bunch of times. I mean, the speed you could go. A NASCAR pit crew. Oh my, fail. Proving yourself wrong. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, rubber mallet might be in order. Okay, we're gonna move down. We'll go here.
I'll tell you what, it does get easier as it goes along. You figure it out. Not as hard as I made it look at the beginning. Like, once you get it nice and lined up, you can literally just push it down in with your fingers. No need to pound it. But here's the little clips. Those clips are going to go into the half moon. Those little bad boys right there. And you could just easily, as long as it's lined up, look at that. I don't know why I was hammering so much. Just the caveman in me, I guess. Here we gotta make a little indent. You're just gonna take a straight edge, mark this way, slide in position on the other side, put your straight edge along the wall, mark it, and you're just gonna cut it out. I found the best way to do these little cuts. Use the oscillating tool. This thing is just so handy. Definitely should get you one. Every house should have one. I'll put a link in the description. Now once you get it all cut out, this thing zips right through it. No problem. There you go. Clean it off a little bit, and then we're going to see if it fits. And it would fit like a glove, but there's that baseboard that's in the way. And so we're just gonna rip it off the wall because that's in there tight. Solid construction. Now she fits like a glove. Look at that. There I am hammering again. You just need to slide it in there. Now here's this corner. We're gonna have to cut every single piece. Gotta bust out a tape measure for this one. And what do we got? 11 inches. 11 inches will give us a little space. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once we put the baseboard on, you'll never see the gap. The joys of flooring. Now the best way to cut these is going to be a table saw. But if you don't have a table saw, you could use a circular saw. Just try to get a nice straight cut. Because when it's nice and straight, boom, goes in like that. Maybe. Now we're on to the side here. I had to get the vacuum out. I was too lazy to run into the garage and grab the shop vac, so house vacuuming it is. Just don't tell my wife. Although she doesn't use it very often, so let's be real. And if it breaks, I'll fix it. Here we go. Side pieces, 4.5. We're gonna go 4 1/4. Now back to slamming my hand on some plastic. I started in the wrong corner. You'll soon realize why. Those little lips have to go into the half circles. So you gotta start right to left.
Duh.
Comment below what you think about this floor. Do you like the look of it? I think it works pretty good for a closet, or if you wanted to put it in your garage. Comment below.
And we're done. VEVOR interlocking tiles, 12 inch by 12 inch. Solid purchase. If you're gonna cut them, table saw, circular saw, buzz tool for the little guys. Highly recommend. It's fast, it's quick. If you had a nice square room, you could do it really fast with no cuts. Rubber mallet. My hand kind of hurts. Don't be a caveman. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Hit that like. Hit the subscribe. Ring the bell. Let's go. Job done.